Once you have Inspector Toolbelt set up just the way you want it, it's time to start using it in the field. We highly recommend that you use it on a mobile device since it will make your job that much easier, even though it is possible to manually transfer your notes from the field. Once you start using the app in the field, we believe that you won't go back. Using Inspector Toolbelt on an inspection is very simple. If you have the inspection scheduled already, all you need to do is click on it to open it up in your inspection dashboard. With your template set up in the right order for your inspection, you will be amazed at how quickly you can get everything done. With our widget on your website, the client can fill in all the information needed for the inspection, but you also have the option to create the inspection manually if that is necessary. You start the process by clicking the button in the top right corner which will say New or just a plus sign. First you enter the information for the client, for the realtor if available, and any applicable notes. When you have it all filled out, click the Create button. After you've entered the client's information, click on Inspections, then on Add New Inspection, and you will be prompted to select the template to use. Let's use the default Inspector Toolbelt template, but if you have other templates to use, this is where you would select them. As you go through your inspection, you tap on the item in the section that you're inspecting. In this example, we'll click on Gutters. What you see in the rating section will depend on how you have your rating set up, but in our example template you will find ratings such as defective, hazardous, maintenance item, monitor, and marginal. Red items will be included in the significant issues section of your report, while the yellow ones will be put in the marginal issues section of your report. Green items are those with no problem, while blue items are there for information. The next section is where you add pictures. You can use the camera button to take a picture on the spot, or you can use the gallery button to select a picture from your gallery. You will see 3 buttons that control the way your camera operates. The infinity symbol will let you take several pictures in a row without going back to the inspection app. The triangle and circle will automatically start markup after you take a picture. This doesn't work together with the non-stop picture function. The third icon changes whether or not pictures are saved to your gallery on the phone. You can mark up your pictures to indicate where there are issues. You have the option to change the color, thickness, type of line, and direction of the arrows. Once you hit the Done button, changes are saved and you won't be able to undo them. In the comment section, you will find any comments that you added to your template. You can also add a comment right there and hit the green check mark to add it. All you need to do to add them to the final report is to tap on the checkbox. Under Attributes, you'll find any attributes that you added to the template, and you can create a new one for that specific inspection as well. Set up what type you want to use, and if needed, the options that can be selected or the unit of measure. Once you have finished with the inspection, you can click on the 3 dots in the top right corner to set the cover image for the inspection. This will show up for your client on the report you send them, so you can take a picture of the home in question. When you're all set, you can click on Preview Report to see what it is going to look like. If you're happy with what you see, you can go back and click on Publish Changes. There you will have the option to email it directly to the client or agents, or you can add a specific email address where you want it sent. The app will indicate that the report is publishing, which can take a little while depending on your internet connection. The report can be opened as a PDF as well for those that aren't able to receive it electronically, and from there it can be printed.